Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum Guide. In the last video, we explored why SAFe exists in the first place. Agile works beautifully for one or two teams, but once you scale to many teams, things start to break down. Dependencies increase, priorities conflict, planning becomes unsynchronized. So the big question is this: how does SAFe actually organize so many teams without losing agility? SAFe works like a layered system where each layer has a clear role and a clear purpose. Instead of everyone pulling in different directions, the layers create structure, alignment, and flow. Think of it as stacking responsibility in a way that keeps teams fast, but the whole organization coordinated. These layers are the team level, the program level, the large solution level, and the portfolio level. At the base is the team level. This is the part where everyone already knows agile teams. Often Scrum teams work here to deliver features. You still have developers building and testing, you still have a product owner prioritizing the backlog, and you still have a Scrum Master supporting the team and improving how they work. Nothing magical changes here. SAFe does not replace Scrum, it builds on it. Strong teams are the foundation for everything else. Above the team level is the program level. This is where multiple teams come together as an Agile Release Train, or ART. An ART is a long-lived team of teams working towards a shared goal on a shared cadence. The easiest way to picture this is a train. Each team is a compartment. Every compartment has its own work, but the train moves in one direction, at one speed, toward one destination. That shared movement helps teams plan together, manage dependencies, and deliver value together. For very complex systems, SAFe adds the large solution level. This level is not always needed. It exists for situations where one agile release train is not enough. Here, multiple ARTs are coordinated to build a single large solution. You can think of it as multiple trains connected and moving together. The goal is to make sure all those trains stay aligned while building something bigger than any one train could handle alone. At the top is the portfolio level. This is where business strategy connects to execution. Instead of teams guessing what matters most, the portfolio level sets direction and priorities. It helps decide which initiatives are worth investing in and which are not. From here, strategy flows downwards, guiding the work of arts and teams. This is how SAFe helps organizations build not just things right, but the right things. To make all of this work, SAFe defines key roles. The Scrum Master focuses on helping the team improve and remove obstacles. The product owner manages priorities and maximizes value at the team level. And the release train engineer acts as a servant leader for the agile release train, ensuring the train runs smoothly and stays aligned. These roles exist to support flow, not to add bureaucracy. So think of SAFe as a layered system. Teams at the bottom deliver value, program aligned teams, large solutions coordinate scale when needed, and portfolio connects everything to business strategy. In the next video, I'll show you the different types of SAFe configurations.